Ah, Eagle, Idaho, the most sought-after city to live in the entire state. And the star location of Eagle is right here on the east side. Close to foothills, river trails, and Idaho mountain recreation access. With mature tree-lined streets, walking paths meandering through endless water features, and top-rated schools, it's easy to see why East Eagle is the first place potential buyers ask me about. But there is one problem with this side of Eagle. Where you've got mature trees, you've got beautiful but outdated homes. And so many people are waiting for the perfect updated home to get listed here. Well, good news, your wait is over. My newest listing is in Brookwood, East Eagle's creme de la creme community, with a beautiful community pool, basketball court, green spaces, and water features. And besides all the beautiful creeks and ponds in this neighborhood, my personal favorite amenity to Brookwood is the nature trail that runs along Dry Creek. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac, this lovely home is only 25 minutes from downtown Boise, and it's within walking distance of the shops and amenities in downtown Eagle. Enough waiting, let's go see inside. From the moment you step inside, you'll feel like you're in your own personal cottage retreat, filled with custom details that you will not find in new construction homes. At nearly 2,400 square feet, there are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the main floor, a giant bonus room, and an oversized 3-car garage. Vaulted ceilings, updated lighting, and beautiful engineered hardwood flooring make a great first impression of the wide, light-filled entryway. Right off the entryway is the first guest room, perfect also for a gym or office, featuring high-quality new carpeting and fresh paint throughout the home. The generous-sized guest bathroom has also been freshened up with gorgeous granite countertops and a tile backsplash. And I'm going to take just a moment here to appreciate all of this home's amazing storage. You've got large bedroom closets with organization shelving, a huge entry closet, linen closets in both bathrooms, another storage closet by the laundry room, a coat closet, and extra attic storage in the bonus room. You will definitely not find all of this storage in a new construction home. Now we've got one more guest bedroom to see, nice and bright with plenty of room for a queen-size bed. And then to this beautiful great room and kitchen, the true heart of the home. Soaring vaulted ceilings make it feel open and airy, while the gorgeous stacked stone gas fireplace brings in that coziness for fall and winter. And with these charming, custom built-in cabinets and view of the lush landscaping, this room just makes me want to curl up with a good book and stay a while. With a truly open concept floor plan, it makes it easy to entertain in this space. Engineered hardwood continues into the dining area where there's lots of space for a large table for your family and friends. And I know updated is what you want, and so updated is what you are going to get in this beautiful, spacious kitchen. It has gorgeous granite countertops, a stone backsplash, newer fridge, dishwasher, and gas range, and everyone's favorite, the farmhouse apron sink. So much counter space, a large corner pantry, and skylights for extra light top off this beautiful and functional kitchen. Off the kitchen is the large laundry room, complete with granite countertops, extra cabinet storage, and a darling window for even more light. Okay, 2 more things to show you before we check out the primary suite. First, let's head up to the bonus room. This could be a room for grandkids, a game room, a quilting room, or who knows? With its own mini split air conditioning unit, the possibilities are endless. And second, if you want to be a true Idahoan, you've got to have a huge garage. The third bay is 35 feet long and almost a true 4-car tandem garage. Let's head back inside to see the primary suite, and I can't wait to show you a special surprise in the backyard. And this home wouldn't be a true retreat without the beautiful, peaceful primary suite. A fresh coat of calming paint engineered hardwood, and large windows will have you relaxing as soon as you step in the room. The feeling continues into the oversized primary bathroom with a soaking tub, dual vanities and granite countertops, and an updated tile walk-in shower. The large primary closet has plenty of storage for you as well. And if you're dreaming of more entertaining space for your summer gatherings, well, you'll find that out back. Not just a backyard, this is true outdoor living space. It's north-facing, which means it's shady all summer long. It's very private, completely surrounded by landscaping, and with this covered back patio, it's a perfect place to have an evening meal. And when the sun goes down, the lights come on for entertaining guests and enjoying the sparkling hot tub. So, what do you think? Do you like the Brookwood Eagle location, all the updates, the charming details, or the private backyard perfect for entertaining the best? Well, with this home, you won't have to choose. You can have it all. If you'd like to have a private tour, then reach out to us, give us a call, text, or email, and we're happy to help.